To begin, first, create a credit memo type maintenance. So to do that, go to Credit Memo and click on CM Type Maintenance. Here, to create a new credit memo type, you can click New. But since I have already created one, I will just click here and click Edit. Here, you can key in the type and the description. Then, once done, you can click Save. Using this plugin, you can also quickly add debtors to a branch as opposed to the normal way, which is adding branch to the debtors profile. So to do that, go to Credit Memo and click on Express Branch Maintenance. To create a new branch, click New, but since I have already created, I will just click on Edit. Here, you can key in the branch details, such as the code, name, address, and others. And to add debtors, click on the plus sign. Then, here you may be able to select the debtor. So once done, click Save. Now, to create a credit memo, go to Credit Memo and click on Credit Memo. Here, click New. Select a debtor, select the credit memo type, for example, refund, select the branch code, then add an item. Key in the quantity. Once done, click Save. I will quickly create another memo. As you can see here, now I have created 2 memos. To transfer the memos into credit notes, go to Sales and click on Credit Note. Here, click New. Then, select the debtor. Then, check the checkbox here to select all the documents. Then, click OK. Once the document is transferred, under the account number column, select the account type. This would be Return Inwards. Once done, click Save. You can also view Monthly Credit Memo Analysis Report. So to do that, go to the Credit Memo plugin and click on Monthly Credit Memo Analysis Report. Here, click Inquiry. You may now be able to view the report. Thank you.